The incredible inverted crack and flip. His mating display has to be seen to be believed. It's showtime. Strange snaps and bizarre honking sounds. If this appears a bit odd to you, that's because it's for her eyes only. Ultra-high-speed cameras replay the action from her point of view. Leaping across his stage, the mannequin snaps his wings together, creating an awesome crack. And the male's carefully curated neutral background heightens her viewing pleasure. Then, to finish with a flourish, the incredible inverted crack and flip. Totally seduced, she joins him on stage for one last dance.